One day, the little animals walked into a dark cave. Woo! The cave echoed. Piglet laughed and said, "Let's race! Who is brave enough to go inside?" "Wait," Little Elephant said. He touched the ground with his hand. "No," he said firmly. "We shouldn't go inside. It's dangerous." "Ha-ha! You're just scared," the others laughed. Suddenly, small stones began to fall. Boom! Big rocks rolled down. The friends hugged each other. Some of them began to cry. "It's okay, I'm here," Little Elephant said. The friends looked at Little Elephant. They understood. Saying no to danger is real bravery. What does being brave mean to you? Like and follow.